January 2016, number 3. Okay, so part A asked us, we have a Venn diagram which shows the number of students in Form 5A who have visited Canada or Dominica. So part 1 wants to know how many students have visited Dominica only. Now this whole circle here represents all who visited Dominica. If you notice, the circle is split into two. So this piece here tells us those who visit Dominica and Canada, and the outer piece here will tell us those who visited Dominica only. So the number who visited Dominica only would be 10 students. Part 2 asks us to write an expression in terms of x to represent the total number of students who visited Canada. So we have this circle here which represents those who visited Canada, and this piece will be Canada and Dominica. This piece will be Canada alone. So therefore the expression in terms of x for those who visited Canada would be x plus 3. Part 3, given that there are 25 students in Form 5A, calculate the value of x. So if we want to get the value of x, we would say x plus 3 plus 10 plus 2x. So we add up all five pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, all 4 pieces, and we know that all 4 pieces would be equal to the 25 students in the class. So this becomes simple algebra. We get 3x plus 13 is equal to 25. 3x is equal to 25 minus 13, which is 12. So therefore x is equal to 4, and we have found the value of x. Hence, write down the number of students in each of the following subsets. C union D, so this symbol here is union, which means everything in C and everything in D. So C union D, everything in C and everything in D. So everything in C and everything in D would be everything in C, everything in D. So we're going to get the 3, the x, and the 10. And we know x is 4. So 3, the x, and the 10. So that gives us 17. C intersect D. This symbol here is intersect. So we want to know how much is in the where they intersect, and we all know this is where they intersect. So we know we worked that out. Now it's x, which was 4. And C union D complement. C union D complement. So C union D was everything in C and everything in D. So complement is everything. This is complement here. Everything outside of C union D. So C, everything outside of C union D, which was the 2x here. So everything outside the C union D would be 2x, which would be 2 by 4, which gives us 8. Okay, so part B is asking us to do some construction. If you cannot remember how to do construction, I have put in the link here to the website that gives you a full demonstration on how to do the different constructions. So just put that link in, and it will take you to the website, and it will remind you how to do the different construction. So B part 1. They want us to use a ruler, a pencil, and pair of compasses and construct accurately a square where a square EFG. So let's do a little sketch so that we kind of have an idea what we want to do. So that would be EFGH, where EF is 6 centimeters. And they want you to show all the construction lines and curves. So that's not too bad. So the first thing we do is we draw a line longer than 6 centimeters. We're then going to open our compass to 6 centimeters. Make a mark on the line, and then use the compass to put 6 centimeters. Now mine is not accurate. I'm just doing it for demonstration purposes for you. And so we can put in that this is E and F, and we have 6 centimeters. We then put the compass point at E, keeping the compass at 6 centimeters, and we mark out 6 centimeters on top. We put the compass point at F, and we mark off 6 centimeters on top. We also know that it is going to be 90 degrees at each of these angles. Each of these angles in a square is 90 degrees, so we need to construct 90 degrees. So we put the compass point at E, open the compass a little bit and make a mark on either side of the line, and then we come to open the compass a little wider, come to each side and make a mark, keeping the compass at the same amount, make a mark and make 90 degrees. And we do the same thing over here. Make a mark on either side, open the compass a little wider, and then come to each of the points and make a mark, and that will give us 90 degrees. And then we just connect it all up, and we will have the square EFGH. If you need more help on constructing 90 degrees, go to the website and it's right there. They'll show you how to construct the 90 degrees. The last piece of the question asks us to measure and state in centimeters the length of the diagonal FH. So FH, we would draw in a line from F to H, and we would use the ruler to measure it. You should get something in the vicinity, if you've drawn it accurately enough, of 8.5 centimeters.